Hi, my name is Dr. Shawan Brown Gullette. I am a doctor of naturopathic medicine and a certified trichologist. Today I want to take a second to give you an overview of how we do our treatment here at Dayton Trichology and to give you the systems that we use in treating hair loss and getting to the root cause of your hair loss. So the first thing we do is a consultation. The consultation is going to be important because that's the way that you look at the body through different tools that we have here to find out why you're losing your hair. So we have two different types of consultations. One is a basic consultation. This one is just for people that are primarily dealing with male pattern or female pattern thinning with no extra types of hair loss that may be attached. Then we have a full consultation, which is a consultation that helps us get to the root cause of your hair loss for people that have more complex types of hair loss, like telogen effluvium, maybe alopecia areata, or either like a diffuse hair loss. So that's what we would do with our full consultation. Our next one is we use blood work. So the first and most important thing with every consultation is that we look at blood work. When we do our blood panels, we look at your progesterone, we look at your ferritin, your testosterone, we look at your vitamin D, we look at your thyroid panels, we look at your hemoglobin A1C, and we also look at the autoimmune parts of blood tests. Those are really important to me as a trichologist and a doctor of naturopathic medicine. It helps me to find out some underlying causes of your hair loss. The next thing is we form an etiology. Then we also form a really good prognosis. There's also a treatment plan involved. So let's talk about the treatment plan for a second. It really depends on what type of hair loss you have as to what treatment plan you'll be recommended for here at our clinic. If you're a person that's experiencing hair loss from female or male pattern thinning, there's a treatment plan for that. If it's more of a traction alopecia, we have a treatment plan designed just for women that are experiencing traction alopecia. If you're experiencing telogen effluvium, we look at the body as a whole and use supplements to help you with that. If you're a person that has more of a hair loss that comes from medication or medically induced, we look at the body as a whole. We work with your attending physician to help you with that type of hair loss. And then there's a scalp assessment. The scalp assessment is really important only because looking at the scalp, you can look at such things as inflammation on the scalp. You can look at where a person's at in the miniaturization process, and those are really, really important things to see. You can also see the diameter of the hair and also the areas that are more of the donor areas, and you can compare those areas with a scalp assessment. The next thing that's really important is going to be the detox. The detox is really important because there's times where we need to make sure there's no inflammation within the body. We need to make sure that we're cleansing the body and we're on a clean slate before we start to do treatment. The next one is oxygen scalp therapy. That's one of my favorites. I like that because what we do is we remove all the impurities from the scalp, and then we take elixirs and we take those and put those on the scalp after we remove all the impurities from the scalp. The last one, but not least, is the most important, is laser therapy. So depending on the type of hair loss you have, laser therapy is really, really important. Laser is going to help you to stimulate the scalp and also stimulate blood circulation, which is very, very important. So just as a recap, we do consultation, we do the blood work, we form an etiology and a prognosis, we have a treatment plan, we do a scalp assessment, a detox, oxygen therapy, laser therapy, and those are the steps for our basis for treating here at Dayton Trichology. If you're experiencing hair loss and you'd like to call in and have a free 15-minute discovery session, please give us a call at 937-281-0555. Once again, I'm Dr. Shawan Brown Gullette with Dayton Trichology. Thank you.